Hello my dear students, good morning everyone. Today I am discussing about this very important chapter now going, that is linear equations in one variable. So linear equation one variable inside that exercise 3.5. 3.5 inside that, 3.4 inside some questions is there, again the application problem is there. Next class I will explain. Okay, now 3.5 exercise inside what is there? The both side means what? LHS on the RHS on the both side variables in a fraction numbers like this is there. How to solve that one equations? That is very important. So not different variable on the both side, same variable. Here x is there, here also x, here y is there, here also y. So like this, how to solve the equation, my dear students? The first question is there, how to solve the equation. First question number 1. That is question number 1. Solve the following linear equations. The following linear equations. So solve the following linear equations. How to find out this linear equations? So here first one is there, first one equation is there, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So like this equation is there in the fraction number system or rational number system inside is there. So how to solve this one? Here also x is there, here also x is there. So xx one side take, LHS part inside that you take solution. So x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4 is there. So x by 2 you take one side, x by 2 the plus x by 3 is a transfer in LHS side minus x by 3. So is equal to what remains plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 number is there. Transfer to LHS to RHS minus becomes plus, it is 1 by 5. So here my dear students, 2 and 3 LCM first LCM of 2 and 3, what happens here? 2 and 3 LCM, 2 ones are 3 as is, 3 ones are, so 2 into 3 is equal to 6 came. Now this one LCM of 4 and 5, so 4 comma 5, so 4 ones are 5 as it is, so 5 ones are 5, then 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So like this LCM is there. Alright, now LCM is what is that? 2 and 3 LCM is there. What is there? 6 is there. 6 now came 6 LCM. Now to write denominator 6. 2 ones are 6, 2 threes are 6, 3 ones are 6, 3 twos are 6. Now x into 3, 3x minus is there minus 2 into x, 2x. So is equal to. So what is the LCM 4 and 5? 20. Now to write denominator 20. 4 ones are 20, 4 5s are 20, 5 ones are 20, 5 4s are 20. Right? Now 1 5s are 5 plus 1 4s are 4. Now 3x minus 2x, 1x divided by 6 is equal to 5 plus 4, 9 divided by 20. So x by 6 is equal to 9 by 20 is there. Now cross multiplication. So x into 2, x into 20 is equal to 6 into 9. So now 20 into x, 20x is equal to 6 into 9. 9 6 are 54. So x is equal to 54. The multiplication sign divided by 20. So which you understood? So like this we have to rational number or fraction number given means on both side variable is there means of like this we have to doing the equations, linear equations. Are you understood my dear students? Yes. Now wait for second one. Second one. So this question inside. Second one is there. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. RHS is not there. Whole number is there. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21 is there. N is there. On the same side is there. LHS side is there. Don't worry. You take that LCM. First we have to take the LCM. See, very simple mathematics, simple technique. I will tell you now. Simple technique. I'm saying simple technique. You see, simple. What is the simple? I say simple only. N by 2 as it is. What is the question first you have to write? Once again, repeat. So, plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. So, first take 2, 4 and 6. LCM of 2, 4 and 6. What happens here? 2, 4, 6. See here? 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Then 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Now next 2 1s are 2 1s are 3 as it is. So 3 1s are 1s are. So what we mean here? 2 into 3 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 is LCM, my dear students. Now here 12 is LCM is there. Okay, 12 is LCM, denominator should be 12. 2 how much are 12? 2 6 are 12. 4 how much are 12? 4 3s are 12. 6 how much are 12? 6 2s are 12. Like this. See, 6 into n, 6n, minus is there minus. 3 3s are 9, n is there, n, plus is there, plus. 5 2s are 10, n is equal to what? 21. So whatever denominator is 1, 20 by 1 means what? 21 only. So now first we add 10 plus 10 plus 6, 16n minus 9n divided by 12 is equal to 21 by 1. So 16n minus 9, how much? That is very important. 16 minus 9, how much? 7n divided by 12 is equal to 21 by 1. Then cross multiplication. Now cross multiplication inside, what happens? 7 into 1 means what? 7n. So is equal to 12 into 21. 12 into 21. Cross multiplication. So we have to multiply. Don't multiply. We have to write 12 into 21 divided by this 7. 7 1s are 7 3s are 21. So n is equal to what remain? 12 into 3. So n is equal to 12 3s are 36. So I have to like this. Find out my dear students. So it is the answer. Are you understood? This is the answer. Nothing inside. Very simple. Right? Like this we have doing the simple technique and simple mathematics. How to solve the linear equations. That is very important. So verification you have to doing is the verification you have to do. I show a verification also. Next question I will show that verification. Okay. Next one. Third one is some different. This is third one. So I have this one. Okay. 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. So like this you can say x RHS side x is there, LHS 2 times x is there. See here what happens here, how to do this. Very simple technique. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. So here fraction number is there, here whole number is there. How to solve sir? Equation is very difficult sir. Nothing, very simple technique. See here. So here automatic denominator is 1, here also 1. Nothing inside. Both all are equal fraction numbers. 4. Nothing inside. X one side is x by 1 minus 8x by 3. So minus 5x by 2 is there. Transfer LHS side plus 5x by 2 is equal to 17 by 6. So here also plus 7 by 1 is there. So transferring RHS side minus 7 by 1. Nothing inside. Or so x by 1 minus 8x by 3 minus 5x by 2 is there in RHS side. Transferring LHS side plus 5x by 2 is equal to 17 by x plus 7 by 1 is there. Transferring RHS side minus 7 by 1. Number one side, variable one side. Right? So you take this LCM. What will come LCM? 3 2s are 6 is LCM. 6 is LCM. See here. 1 6s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 1 6s are 6. 6 into x, 6x. Minus is there minus. 8 2s are 16. X is there x. Plus 5 3s are 15. X is there x. Is equal to. What is the LCM? Here also 6 1s are 6 is LCM. So 6 1s are 6. 1 6s are 6. 17 1s are 17. Minus is there minus. 7 6s are 42. Very simple technique. So 15 plus 6 how we add first here also 6 plus 6x plus 2. So 21x minus 16x divided by 6 is equal to this one as it is 17 minus 42 divided by 6. So now 21 by 16, 21 minus 16, you take one carry 11 minus 6 5. Here what it means 1 minus 1 0. So 5. So 5x by 6 is equal to 42 17. So you take one carry 17 minus 12 minus 7 1 minus 7 what 5. So what it means here 3 minus 1 2 25. This 25 minus 25 by 6. Why because of minus 25 means minus is greater number sign is there. So because of how to sign will be minus. Now cross multiplication. So 5x into 6 is equal to minus 25 into 6. So now 6 5s are 30x is equal to 6 5s are 30. Carry 3. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 15. So is equal to minus. So minus 150. So x is equal to minus 150 divided by this 30. So this 0 and get cancel. 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. So x is equal to minus 5. My dear students, like this we have to doing linear equation in one variable. So one variable means what? Only one x and y not coming. Two variables is not there. Only one variable is there. So like this we have to doing the problem. Are understood my dear students? Yes. So remaining giving that homework again 3 is there. I am giving homework. I am going for that second bit. Simplify and solve the following linear equations is there. Remaining again 3 questions. Again 3 problems is there. First question inside and giving homework. simplify and solve the following linear equations. And solve the following linear equations. First to simplify is there. First one is what is there? 3 into the bracket t minus 3 is equal to 5 into the bracket 2t plus 1, not 2t, 2t. First is what is there? Simplify. I solve the following linear equation. First you have to simplify. So simplify means what? Open this bucket. Bucket means what? Bracket. You have to simplify the bracket. Open the bracket first. So here what is there? Monomial to binomial multiplication is there. How to simplify first? Sulochana 3 into the bracket t minus 3 is equal to 5 into the bracket 2t plus 1. 2t plus 1. Here 3 into t 3t plus into minus 3 3 is 9 is equal to 5 2 is 10 t is the t plus 1. No variables, so simplify over. Again solve the equation. Now what you doing? Here also t is there, here also t is there. 3t plus 10 is there. Transfer in other side minus 10t. So is equal to 1 minus 9 is there. Transfer in other side plus 9. So 3t minus 10t minus 7t. Why? Because the greater sign number is minus is there. 10 minus 3 7. So minus 7 is equal to 10. So t is equal to minus will come here, not transfer here is equal to there. So 10 divided by 7. This is the answer. T is equal to minus 10 by 7. So like this you have to doing the problem. Now, so here what happens? See, so 5 is there. Sorry, here 5 is there. No, sorry. Here there is some mistake. See here, some mistake in it. See here, 3 into 3, 3t plus into minus 3 is 9 is equal to 5 2 is 10t. So plus into plus 5 1 is 5. Here multiplied 5 1 is 5. 1 I return first. 1 I return. So 3t plus 10t is the transfer as minus 9t. So 10t is equal to 5 minus 9 transfer in other side plus 9. So minus 7t is equal to 14. 9 plus 5 14. Then t is equal to minus 14 by 7. 7 1 is 7 2 is 14. So t is equal to minus 2. So like this we have to doing the problem. Are understood, my dear students? Yes, this is very important for 2 marks question. How to solve the equations? This is very important. So simplify and solve the equation. Like this you have to simplify first to open the bracket, after solve the equation. So next one is the 8th one. Sorry, second one. Second one. So 15. Open the bracket, y minus 4, bracket close. Minus 2 into the bracket open, y minus 9, bracket close, plus 5, again bracket open, y plus 6 is equal to 0. RHS is what is there? Value is 0. How to simplify? Sulochana minus 2y plus 5y. First we have one side, numbers one side. Minus 16 plus 18 plus 30 is equal to 0. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you have to add 15y plus 5y, 20y. This and this plus 15y plus 5y plus 20y minus 2y. Next, here minus 60 as it is, right? Minus 60 plus is there here. 30 plus 18, 48. 48 is equal to 0. 20y minus 2y, 18y. So minus 60 is greater number sign is there, minus 6 is greater number sign, plus is smaller number sign, you put the minus sign. After 60, 48, now subtract 10, 10 minus 8, 2. So what remaining here? 5, 5 minus 4, 1. So remaining 1 is equal to 0. So 18y is equal to minus 12 is there, plus 10 on the side, 0 is there, minus 1 plus 12. Plus 12. So y is equal to 0 plus 1, 12 divided by this 18. So y is equal to 2 6 are. So which tables are? 3 tables we take. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 6 tables we take. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. That is 2 by 3. So y is equal to 2 by 3. So like this you have to doing the problem, my dear students. Are you understood this one? So very simple technique and very easy concept you have to doing like this. So next concept is there. So decimal point is there. How to doing the decimal point is there. So how to doing this one? Third one. So I learn this one. Yes. Okay. Decimal point inside doing this one how to doing. My dear students, it's very important. 0.25. Third one. 0.25 into the bracket 4f minus 3, 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05. 0.05. Open the bracket. Open the bucket. 10f minus 9. 10f minus 9. 10f minus 9. So decimal point is there. Decimal point 0.25, 0.0. So first we have to simplify. Nothing inside. Gabro mat. So very simple is there. This and this multiplication. After this and this we have to multiply. Simple is there. See, rough. First we use the rough. Use the rough. What is there? 0.25 into 4. 4 5s are 20, carry 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1, 4 0s are 0, 0 plus 1, 1, after 2.0, 2 point after decimal point there, 1 carry. Next, 0.25 into 3, so 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, 7, so 3 zeros are 0, 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7, after 2 digit after 1. So here, 0.25 into 4 means what? 1f. 1f plus into plus plus. Plus into minus minus. 0.25 into 3. 0.75. So is equal to. So what is there? This one. Again multiply. So now this 0.05 into 10. 10 5s are 50. Carry 5. 10 zeros is Now we have to, what are you doing now? F on side. Here also F is there. Here also F is there. 1F minus 0.50 F is equal to minus 0.45 plus minus in the transfer as plus 0.75. Now 1F minus 0.550 means what? Half. So 1.00 0.50 0 you take one carry 10 minus 5 here what it means 0 means 0.50 F is equal to this and this subtract, so 0.75 0.45 so 0, so 7 minus 4 3 then what is there 0, so 0.30 sorry plus is there 0.30. Now F is equal to 0.30 divided by 0.50, decimal point is there. So rough sketch. So here 0.30 means what? 30 divided by 100 whole divided by 50 divided by 100. So is equal to 30 divided by 100 into, so this reciprocal 100 divided by this 50. So 100 get cancelled. This 0 get cancelled. Answer is 3 by 5. So you have to write F is equal to 3 by 5. This is the answer. So my right is how doing the concept. So rough is very important. You have to rough on the right side. So this is the answer how to doing this one. Means what like this we have to doing. So now, so here concept is there. Again what concept is there. So 8th one to over, now third one over, now 10th one is there over, this 10th is there, so like this you have to doing 0.630 divided by 50, so 3 by 5 again, answer will become decimal point. Okay, so now again what is their concept, I will giving homework, you have to do homework. So next is there 10th one is also over, and then 9th one also is there. So here decimal point is over. Now for example one problem is there. Example one problem. I will show that example problem. Don't know. I will explain